Meaning of Edna Ferber.
Edna Ferber.
Edna Ferber.
Edna Ferber.
Edna Ferber. Edna Ferber was an American author and playwright known for her portrayals of strong, independent women in her writing. She won the Pulitzer Prize for her novel So Big in 1924 and also wrote Showboat, which was adapted into a highly successful musical. Her works often explored themes of race, gender, and class in America during the early 20th century. Ferber's legacy endures through the continued popularity of her novels and adaptations of her work for stage and screen.